management point of view, I am unable to be everywhere every time. So I feel that I can get a lot of data accessible on my screen. In case if something is not as per plan or as per TNA, I can attack that point to its precise issue. The application has wide ranges of benefits. It gives you graphical representations of what's happening on shop floor level. It tells you how each SKU is moving or each style code is moving. You get to know what product is where, when will it finish, when will it reach its end line. And also we get to know what's happening with the quality audits. So we don't need to physically be present at every space every time. We can refer the data that we have on our laptops or our screen and then take executive decisions based on that. So it's definitely has a positive effect on especially the upper management to take decisions for moving things forward.